I should have brought my car over here. Gone for a walk. I said I could have brought my car over here and gone for a walk. The place is packed today.
You know what, Joe?
What?
Your car would not be a good idea.
Why?
For the simple reason that thank you. Okay.
Waxhaw Street suck.
No. Okay, there's a long time. People can see shit.
Well, see, there's some places you go where there's more people at night. You go during the day, there's nobody.
Open the door for me. Thank you.
Yeah, I'm sorry. With traffic was bad. So how are you going to be able to join us? I'm sorry. Okay, what were you going to say?
Huh?
No, it's the three of us. Rudy, we have a reservation. Stop.
Tell me something I want to hear.
I'm yours, Daddy.
Please don't let anything happen to you when I let you.
Daddy, you know what I always say? I always say. I'm more mad at the people that elect the sons of bitches do the bad thing than the sons of bitches that do the bad thing. Because they knew they were going to do it. Like, if you have reason to believe that something's going to happen and you don't act on it, and it happens, then you kind of got some explaining to do, don't you?
It's just three of us.
Hey,
What you doing? I got to turn some air on in here. It's hot in here.
yeah, it is.
Give me one
Somebody
second.
You
need
can
to
open the
use-
doors. Yeah. You can open the doors.
Move back, Joe. Move back.
Where do you need to sit? Here? Right. Thank you. You're welcome. thing tonight, and
He's most welcome to sit with us.
he probably doesn't. I don't think he's going to be sitting down much. Man, there's our features. Some good stuff on here. Okay. Yeah.
Where's the is there a special today?
Right here.
Oh, okay, great.
Yeah.
Thank you.
I don't think I've ever seen it this crowded.
Chubbington. It's a napkin for the chubbing. Very special. Joe, what you gonna have, son?
I don't know.
They have craft beer.
Oh, the drink?
Yeah. And then they have Heineken, Youngling, Stella, Blue Moon, Coors.
Ooh, they have Yingling on draft?
Not on draft.
Oh.
On draft, they just have
Good deal.
Thank you.
Are we doing anything else for drinks right now? Are we what?
Drinks.
And I would like a glass of wine, please. Yes, ma'am. Pinot Grigio. Yes, ma'am. Would you like our house? It's brownstone. Yes. Yes, ma'am.
That cooks for me. Joe.
What kind of beers you have on draft?
For my draft beers right now, I have Michelob Ultra. I have Oktoberfest by Sam Adams. I have Mango Perch. I have an apple hard cider. And I have Peroni, which is an Italian beer. It's on the lighter
Hey, on
side.
the left. Peroni. Have
Yeah,
Peroni.
Peroni's good.
You know what?
What?
I think I'll have a Nicolo.
Michelob, that's my favorite. I'll go put that in for you guys. I'll be back over, okay?
I never had it on draft, but it's really good in the bottle. You what?
I love you, son.
Love you too, Daddy.
You want an appetizer, sir? What are you gonna have?
I think I'm gonna get, where's the special? The shrimp carbonara.
Diet Coke.
Shrimp carbonara.
Yeah, I like the taste. I don't know what the carbonara sauce is.
It's like a cream sauce with bacon.
Okay. Joe, what you gonna have?
They have picada.
Piccata?
Yeah,
Yeah.
I want that.
chicken piccata?
What? Yeah. Unless they got
Salmon piccata?
what's the difference other
Shrimp
than the
and
chicken?
veal. I think you like chicken piccata better than the veal piccata. Veal is very thin.
Yeah, Portofino's I have salmon, but
Salmon piccata?
Do they have salmon piccata? That's what he likes.
I never had chicken. I think I'll try the chicken one.
Okay.
Sue, I had a black t-shirt with gold ink that said IDF. Have you seen it? I looked all over the place for that shirt. Did you see Agatha today?
Yeah.
Oh, okay. Susan, is that his son? The redheaded one? Well, this is down here. Is he got
Oh. Hey, Daddy.
Yes, son.
Like, it seems like a really different area. So, like, how far is Blue Door Deli from here?
This is the block. The train tracks are right through here.
Okay.
This is the main entrance right here. This is the main track. You're here. Okay?
Okay.
Blue Door Deli would be passing this block and it would be right here.
Oh, so it's pretty far.
No, it's less than a block.
Oh. But there's more stuff over here. How you doing?
Thank you.
Were you guys ready to order as well?
I'm ready to order.
Okay. Were you
I'm gonna have the shrimp
Yes, ma'am.
Where's the meter? That's the meter?
Salad or a Caesar for you?
What?
Is that the meter?
Yeah.
House salads, carrots, tomatoes, and cucumbers. Caesar? Yes, ma'am. For you, sir?
Eggplant corn.
Yes, sir. House salad or Caesar?
Does it come with it?
Yes, sir.
I have a Caesar.
Perfect. And then pasta as your side?
Sorry?
Pasta as your side?
I need a meal.
Okay, we also have mashed potatoes, risotto.
I'll take risotto.
Risotto? Okay. Would you like that Parmesan flavor, pesto, or mushroom?
The risotto?
Yes, sir. Ready for you, sir?
Joe, what are you having?
I have the chicken piccata.
Perfect. And a house salad or a Caesar for you, sir?
Caesar, please.
Yes, sir. You get a side as well. We could do pasta, like with the piccata sauce, I also have spinach, broccoli, Brussels sprouts, risotto, mashed potatoes.
Like rice,
green
right? A
beans.
risotto.
It doesn't come with the pasta?
You can do pasta if you want to do it with the pasta.
You want pasta?
Yes.
Yeah.
Absolutely. What's your favorite pasta? I have penne pasta, fettuccine, linguine, or regular spaghetti noodles too.
Linguine, please.
Linguine, absolutely. And we'll go ahead and toss that in the piccata sauce for you.
Do what? Oh, sorry.
In the piccata
Put it in the
sauce.
piccata sauce, Joe.
That's good.
Yes.
Would you want an appetizer?
Perfect. Thank you.
Cheers
Cheers, Daddy.
to an unexpected displeasure.
What do you mean?
Mommy's happy.
You know, it's kind of nice seeing downtown Waxhaw this busy. I haven't
Sorry.
seen it.
Watch the fork.
Mommy is tired. That's all.
I know. Me and you could have come.
Huh?
Me and you could have come.
I didn't think about that. And if I'd have said that, that would have been bad too, because she's in that kind of mood.
Oh well. It's like convincing you to let me go downtown. You'll never win. And I know Glenwood Avenue is nothing like Trade and Tryon, but I did Glenwood Avenue twice
you did.
on both sides,
I know you did.
all the way through.
Whatever you do it again.
Hey, Daddy,
Yes, my son.
you know what the fitting / ironic part is about me going to Trade and Tryon independently, right?
No, son.
You know what the other name for Trade and Tryon is?
I normally don't get that much.
No?
Independent Square.
Are you going to be too tired to stop on that? Say again. No, honey. Nobody whatever you want. No, that would. Yeah. You want to sit
How
down
you
with
doing?
us for a minute? Okay.
How's your knees? Yeah. All right, hold on. Let me get up. No problem.
How's your knees?
Daddy's telling me.
These are okay. I've been cooking a lot. Got rid of my chef. That's all the catering.
You gotta get rid of them?
Yeah. I'm doing it myself now. Oh, it's a good thing. My food costs is going up. My food costs was 50% when he was working. Catering. So now I don't have a food cost. I dropped it down to very little. It was overcooking so much. If we had a party for 40, he'd cook enough food for 100 people.
Oh my God.
Yeah, it's ridiculous. So,
He wasn't stealing or anything, was he?
no. Well, he's stealing in a way that you couldn't recoup the money.
My dad, when he had his restaurant, they would throw steaks out into the back.
They steal them.
In the little dumpster, and then somebody would go get it.
I'm under camera. If I catch them, they're gone. They can roll back and watch it.
Way before.
Honestly, I look, the most expensive thing we have is fillets, and I look at them every week to see how many we sell, and they're right on the number. fillets. We buy really good center cut fillets. They cost me like $19 a piece. But it's a product that is wonderful. We sell a lot of them, so I don't buy it. It's a cryovac fillet, but it's Hepburn's. It's a big meat company that does all custom cutting, and it's worth buying them. Yeah, it was real hot in here. It's cooling off now.
Yeah, it's still a lot better.
It was hot. They didn't have the air on. We had the air on a couple of days because it was cool. Got a big festival here.
I saw all the food trucks and everybody setting up over on the side streets. What's going on
Joey,
tomorrow?
I should have had you, darn it.
Huh?
You could have been a barbecue judge.
Oh, Chubby would have loved you.
Oh, man.
Did you see it?
Do you want me to call and see if they need any more people? What are you doing
He's
tomorrow?
very, very tired.
Huh?
Tomorrow
No,
is
this is
leave, and I got
tomorrow.
work.
Tomorrow. It's tomorrow.
It's tomorrow.
Ah.
Tonight.
No, he can't do it. We've all been sick.
Oh.
No.
No.
No,
Take the weeks.
we're good. We're on antibiotics.
Uh,
We're fine.
knock on wood. We've got a wedding to go to in Outer Banks this weekend coming up.
Oh, wow.
Yeah, so, and I've got about 5 parties I've got to do before I leave.
What time is it tomorrow?
No, we're not contagious. I've been at work all week.
You're going to have a really hard time getting here too.
Oh, yeah.
What time
Joey,
is
I'll
it?
set you up for next year. I think they have everybody, but I'll set you up with me next year.
Alright.
Or they might have one. They might have one at the Christmas show. They do another Christmas thing, so maybe we can. Yeah.
What time is it going to be tomorrow?
Starts at 11. We've got to be there by 1.
Oh, I can't do it.
Yeah.
I'm going out with my buddies.
This is amazing, this guy. He'll run all week long. Come Saturday, it's like,
And he'll sleep all day.
but tomorrow he's got a 2 o'clock thing.
2 o'clock lunch date with buddies from work. Every month they get together for lunch.
That's nice.
So he's taking up
I went to
golf.
play golf the other day. Come Saturday to show you the pictures on Facebook.
That's cool. I had a friend of mine.
Golf is fun.
He was blind. He was a fantastic golfer. They told him kind of where to go, and he was really good. He was very good before he was blind. And he kept the swing and everything. Yeah.
He has
That's people got it.
I think I'm getting the golf bug
They're
too.
they're sitting over
Because
there
they say when you know you're getting the
at
golf
the
bug,
family table.
when you catch yourself doing this.
Can you check and see if there's a 3-top outside on the bench right here? No. There was a 3-top sitting outside on the bench right there. I want to see if they've been seated. Thanks. Hey, where?
Matt's outside.
It's a young guy, real young guy with a beard. It's not him.
Oh, the one with the hat on?
Yeah, he's sitting right over there. Outside. Who's talking to him? Hey, Matt. There's a 3-top sitting out there.
Yes,
It's
I'm
been
seeing
there
him
for a
now.
while. Okay, good. Thanks. There they are. Good. They've been sitting for a while, so I won't get in. So we'll get you seated right away.
Wow, homeless guy or something?
That's all right?
You said it's a homeless guy or something?
That looks good. What's he eating?
He was eating,
He was walking, Mr. Paul.
some lollipops or something. Steak, yeah, steak. Steak's anything, yeah.
I got the shrimp carbonara.
Oh, that's good. Without the breading?
I don't know. I didn't even.
Patty's going to be here in a few minutes.
Is
Yeah, I told her you guys were coming in, so.
she? Rudy said her brother's in town.
Both brothers. Jimmy's in town, and John's been in town all week. So John just went back, but he'll be back on Monday, and Jimmy's leaving tomorrow morning, I think.
Are they staying with you or?
John always stays with us, yeah, but Jimmy, no, they're staying. Well, I don't, with his, her mother.
He married to Oda.
Yeah.
Is that the one that married to
I
Oda?
think they're staying with Oda.
Okay.
I'm not sure. Mr. Hoda passed away.
Right.
Yeah,
Couple years
I'm not sure,
ago.
yeah. Has it been 2 years already?
Oh yeah, at least.
No, not. God, it's pretty recent.
Couple years.
Oh, I can't believe it's 2 years already. Time flies.
I know.
No, Ted, we slide through time. Time is steady. I looked at myself in the mirror the other day and I said,
How long have you had the restaurant?
ooh, Joe.
Oh, yeah. Would you like water, Mr. Ted, or do you have one?
Water's good.
Listen,
Oh, the
Joe.
train. I've always wanted to see that train. I really want to go outside for this one.
No.
Too many people in here.
How's Patty doing?
Busy as heck. We're so busy all the time. She's good. She's good, getting a breather. I'm so glad that we're going away next week.
Whose wedding?
It's a,
Daddy,
a
what
young
time
gal
is it?
that's getting married that I basically raised her. She's kind of like a daughter to me.
You want some bread?
Was,
With butter or with oil and
her father was my very, very, very good best friend. I grew up with him. And bad alcoholic. Very bad alcoholic.
Is that train still going
And when
by?
I was selling the
Yeah.
equipment, I was
Oh,
traveling.
yeah, it'll be going by
So
for
he
a
moved
while.
in my house. Had his own.
I always wanted to see the one on Hoskins Road.
6 years, I think. But it didn't work. His mother supported him the whole time. Wouldn't work. And he would drink peppermint schnapps and milk.
What time is
Got
it,
him
Daddy?
peppermint schnapps, we had him milk. And when I sold my house, I'm like, Tom, yeah, for you to go find a job and or move back with his mother. He manipulated him, gave him money to go to the liquor store to go. He and his brother